Hey, good evening, guys. Roger here with Old School Futures. Just hanging out, kind of listening to the ball game in the background, trying to trade a little Asian market this evening. Just want to see if you want to join along with me here. Move my head down here out of the way, and we are taking a little heat right now. We got in up here at 71.49 on micro ES. Kind of slow. Just wanted to show you where we're at. Just kind of slow right now, kind of in a consolidation. We had a pretty huge move at about 8 o'clock over here. We opened at 7 right here, and kind of flat about 8 o'clock. Like had some news or something. Really took a dive about 60 points, and then went right back up, and that was in a matter of about 10 minutes right there. So right back just below first consolidation. So just hanging out here, just trying out my new monitor hookups and camera system, lighting, that kind of thing. Trying to do a little evening trading here on the Asian market. This meat right here. The commodities distribution, looking after bread. Really deep in it with 10 contracts. It's about equal to 1 minute, $50 a point. So we're gonna have to let it take us out here in just a second here. See what happens. Play this little distribution right here, but thought we were going to break out and go higher, but we didn't. I've been taking some heat ever since. I'm just going to get behind some of this buying down here. I'm going to have to bail. Have to bail here. Go to what? DCA, just DCA the position there. Sure, I got the stop I'm in for 20. Contracts long. Got my average size down to 71.47 from 49. See if we can go back up to the baseline here and get out of it. Having those two there, so down here, really, if we move up into profit, it's a little bit hard to move that stop when you got two of them sitting out there. So I change my position size. I always try to adjust my stop size. And then my trigger here, if I wanted to try to DCA for 20, I'm here at 20. I'm always ready to pull the trigger and do what I need to do. I'm going to get out right there, $31. So, got lucky. Got out of that. $125 on the first contract. Must have had a loss on the DCA. Where is it? Looking for it. Do not see it. I got some stuff blocked out here. Let me break this down. See, I only made $36, so I had DCA'd that because I was down so low. So we did not win. There it is. Here it is. That's not showing right there. It's not computing very Well, we got 5 still floating. That's only showing 5. 10 went out there. $125 profit. I got a lot. There it is. $93 loss from my original position and $125 gain on the newest position. Moving my average down. Let me get out of the trade. Not a good thing to teach you guys. I really don't want to show you that. Shouldn't be doing that, especially when you're learning. You never want to add to a losing position. But if you get some experience and you can handle the risk, sometimes you can do some stupid stuff. All right, let's try something here. I want to get back in at the bottom of this. It looks like we're going to try and make it down here to VWAP. In fact, I'm going to pause it and I'll bring you back. Forget the VWAP. We'll get in long down here. I'm going to join these guys. I got a big long right there at 140. That's 132 contracts sitting right there. A couple more big ones down here. I'm pretty sure the algorithm's going to push it down here and try to grab that liquidity. That's a pretty good liquidity. It's probably market maker. We got one up here too. We do have some liquidity here. I'm going to come down in the 40s, 38. Let me pause it. We get down there. I'll bring it back. Okay, guys, we're getting close to our entry where we want to enter here. I'll watch my rotation for a second here and zero in on it. Looks like these are 44 to 43 now. About a point is my ATR, or average true range, of each 10-second. This is a 10-second chart. I'm just trying to scout. I had to hold on to that other one a long time because I was in a losing position there until I got out of it. But I want to join in here, but trying to catch the bottom. I don't want to hit the market order. I'm gonna front run all this liquidity right here, just a little bit right at VWAP here, and I don't want to do 20 contracts. Let's make this here. Let's get 10. 5. We'll do 5. I'm going for 5, and then if we have to double up, we'll do that. We'll put a buy order in there, and something crazy happens. Remember, always put your stop. Now I'm putting my stop below all this liquidity. Got a pretty good buy right here, so the stop's in down below this big buy and all these buys. So I'm letting these guys kind of protect my position, and I will move that position up I'll move this position up as we go. If it starts to go up after we get filled, and I'll try to stay behind these big orders, these big limit orders just sitting there. Remember, these are passive orders just sitting here waiting to be filled, just like me. I've added 5 to that 60, so part of that 60 is me. And these are what's coming in here on the delta is aggressive market orders, and that's what's coming through on the time and sales over here as well. When participants go across and either lift the offer or come down and hit the bid, they're being aggressive, and that's where these orders come in. If you're just sitting there waiting to be picked up, that's what these are over here on the DOM. This is called the DOM, or depth of market. You get this in your level 2 data, and if you just had a basic level 1 data that usually comes with a lot of packages for free. You'd only be showing this first level here on each side. You really wouldn't be able to see all of this participation on the books, so you wouldn't be able to see this distribution on the side. This helps, really helps. And this over here does as well. We got plenty of selling, plenty of shorts coming in. We got some longs coming in right here. We're on the value area, this little distribution here, so expect it. But I do expect it to come down to VWAP usually. Anyway, it's that low. Usually we'll hit VWAP. Here we come. Okay, one more time. Almost there. Almost there. Come on. Some buys came in there and drove it up a little bit. Some longs. Here we go. Driving it up. Okay. Maybe that's just to take out the guys that went in too early. Put their stops up here. We'll see. Thanks for joining me tonight. Don't do a lot of Asian market trading, but I'm practicing. I'm on my demo account, just getting a feel for it. Because don't want to go in here and blow any evals or performance accounts. Not trading Asian a lot. I'm trying to just get used to it, get a feel for it. We missed it. Didn't come down. Phyllis did it. Took off without us. All right, guys, I'm gonna pause. I'll bring you back if it comes back down. All right, guys, let's see if we get filled here. We're coming back. Went up there nicely. Got 5 points. Missed it. Got right down and within a tick of filling us here. Less than a tick. Good figure. We might get filled right here. Let's see. We got coming in. We got kind of some buyers down here. Oh, we got some buyers getting absorbed. Using that makes will come on down. Get a little bit more absorption, it might come on down. Now, this Asian market's kind of funny. It's a little bit slow. Not nearly the participation as the others. There's the New York, or London. There's some wasted space right there. Be seeing more chart. Two. There we go. Okay. Here's a prime little example of you don't have to be right all the time to make money. I was only right half, 50% on 6 trades. I was right 3 times, wrong once, broke even once. So yeah, show you that. See, I DCA'd that trade, so that's why I had that pretty big loss right there. I was down a couple $100, so I DCA'd it, brought it down, let it go back up, and I got out for a small profit. So that's kind of why you see that right there. But that is a good point to make. You don't have to win every trade, or you don't even have to have a better than 50% average if you manage your money good. 50% win right here, and I'm still ahead. So got to manage your losses. That's a big loss because of the DCA. But normally, if I hadn't DCA'd that to get out of it, we wouldn't have taken a big loss like that. We got that a lot sooner. Take small losses, guys. You don't have to have a great win rate. Just manage the money. That's what it's all about. Braves won the ball game, by the way, so I guess that background noise is off. So you're not hearing that anymore. But I love my Braves, man. They are kicking butt this year. Yeah, leading all of baseball. I think they have not lost a series yet. I think they did good. We might got to feel we're gonna miss it by a tick again. There we go. We're in. And here's our stop. About 6 points down, 5.5 points down. We're trading 5 contracts. That's $5 per contract per point because it's micros, MES. So 5 of them's $25 a point. So from here to here, it's $25. It's 6 1/4 tick. Be $1.25 a tick if it were one contract. You don't have to have a lot of money to do this, guys. It's a lot of fun. You can trade these micro accounts. It really have some fun. I mean, it beats watching television. I made $36 here in about, I don't know, an hour, 30 minutes, something like that. You don't get paid to watch TV. May as well be making money, right? Tried to go down, got a little absorption. These darker reds, those were short positions. Market did not move. See, it went from here to here, 7 contracts traded, but the price did not move. That's what that darker area signifies. All right, come on. We need to go back up into the distribution here. This is not an ideal distribution. We had a big long move at 8 o'clock, way down and way back up. So it's kind of, we got some outlying high volume nodes here that are not ideal for the way I like to trade. I like to trade a mean reversion, stay on one tight distribution and get to the edge, take the trade the other way, and get to the other edge, take it back, try to get it back at least to center, to the mean. So that's what I mean by mean reversion. A little boring, guys. Trading is boring. Making money's not always thrilling. It's thrilling to make money, but just doing the same thing over and over again. I have to bail. Try to move it on down out of this distribution, down into one of these. That's what I meant by it's not ideal, because we've got high volume interest here at this 30, 20, and 07 price. So I don't know. Not real confident it's going to move back up into this distribution. That's your highest volume up in here, but I don't know if these buyers, here come some buyers. Let's see what'll happen here. I'll try to make me about 10 or 12. There we go, $12 right there. Maybe I'll lock that in. Oh, it's gonna take me out. It didn't feel it. Well, it didn't take. I guess I didn't let go of the mouse. I'll have to wait and see if it rotates back up there. Some buyers coming in. Oh, come on. I'll take a little small profit here, guys, and call it a night. It's getting late. It's about 10 o'clock. Gotta work tomorrow. Let's take that 1875.
Order filled.
$55. There's another 1875. So let's look. We did 7 trades, won 4, lost 1, broke even on 1, 57% win rate. Wow. We paid a lot of fees there. We only made $23.80 out of that $55. Would have been better off trading ES. Anyway, made a little bit. I was just kind of dinking around with it with the demo account anyway. Show you guys a little bit of the Asian market. Well, I appreciate you joining me. Don't forget to check out my new website, www.oldschoolfutures. There's some good education on there, some nice resources for trading platforms. I am now officially in the NinjaTrader ecosystem as an ecosystem vendor. Check it out. You can get NinjaTrader platform, or TraderVate is part of NinjaTrader. You can go directly to them and get a platform and try it out for free right through my website. And there's some other resources there. There's a trading view. I've got trading view on another screen over here that you can't see. But you can get that. There's a little bit of a discount for that. And there are other resources available in there for you guys who are interested in doing some educational courses. CME Group is one of the resources there. You can click on that and go in and learn about trading. And they even have a course in there that you can get a certification for completing it, I believe. But it will go through what futures trading and what futures trading is and how it works and that kind of thing. Explain the basics and ins and outs of that. And that's through the CME Group resource in the resource section. And also, don't forget Financial Juice. Financial Juice is in there, and there's a link there that helps my affiliation with them. It helps me keep these videos and this content coming to you. I get a little bit of a kickback in there if you guys go and subscribe to Financial Juice. So I always look at Financial Juice before I get into the markets and see what my economic calendar looks like to know when events are coming up. Like, for instance, if we go to a 5-minute and see what happened tonight on the Asian market when it opened up at 7. Over in here, it went flat, and then some news hit. That would have been on the economic calendar, and you wouldn't have wanted to been in on the market there. Or maybe you would. Maybe you want to trade that. But 60-point move there. That was astronomical. A lot of times what causes those big moves is people kind of get out of the way, and then what will happen is it'll go really fast and then come back really fast. And so that's what happened there. So you can find that out through Financial Juice. I do have a affiliation with them, and then working on one with FinViz. FinViz is another financial software that you can link to through the website. So there's a lot of resources on the website. Please check it out. Also, the content that I'm showing you here is all reachable through my website. There's a button there to click and come right to my videos. It shows all my videos on my YouTube channel. So I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'm sorry about the background noise, but I was watching Braves and had to hear the end of the ball game. So anyway, I'm rambling now, but thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like. It helps the algorithm, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I look forward to talking with you next time. Have a good evening.